kindergartners. I am here to talk to you today about our new letter sound. Our new letter sound that we are going to be focusing on this week is this. It's O. Now, this alpha friend is named Ozzy Octopus. Ozzy Octopus says ah, ah, ah. Say it. Ozzy Octopus is a vowel. So he's one of our alpha friends that says two different sounds. So ah, ah, ah is the short vowel sound. Ozzy Octopus is a vowel, so he also says his own name. He can also say O, O, O. Say it. Today, I would like to talk to you about Ozzy Octopus. Now, Ozzy Octopus, we have all of our Alpha Friend songs that you should have on your computer. It looks just like this. Has all of our Alpha Friends, and this is where you can go to enjoy listening to each of these songs. Now, I would like you to pause this video and click on Ozzy Octopus, and it's going to take you to Ozzy Octopus's song. If you'd like, you can listen with me on here.
This past October, Ozzy had a big brunch. Oscar the catfish swam over to munch. Ozzy the octopus made an omelet or two. Ollie the otter made hot olive stew.
Now, Missy Evaldi's going to pause it right now because I'd like to chat with you about Ozzy the Octopus. Remember, you can go and listen to Ozzy the Octopus on your computer, and you can sing along. Now, we are going to think about Ozzy Octopus, and we are going to write down some words that have the same beginning sound as Ozzy Octopus. Remember, that can be ah, ah, ah. Say it. It can also be O, O, O. Say it. So in my class, we always start with the alpha friend. So I am going to work on writing Ozzy Octopus on my poster here. Now, Ozzy Octopus. I know Ozzy Octopus starts with an O. But, my friends, Ozzy Octopus, that's his name, so I'm going to give it an uppercase O. You can write these down on a piece of paper at your house, too. I started with an uppercase O. You can write that down, too, please. I have an uppercase O. All right, Oz. I hear a Z. Now, I'm writing that as a lowercase letter, E. Oh, I hear an E. Now, that started with an O, so I'm going to give it an underline. Ozzy Octopus. Ah, ah, ah. Ooh, I hear that O again. Now, because it's Ozzy Octopus's name, I wrote an uppercase O. Ozzy Make sure you're writing what you hear down. Ozzy That's a tricky one. Umbrella U. Ozzy 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 Octopus. Now, in Ozzy Octopus's name, it had the beginning sound of O in Ozzy and the beginning sound of O in octopus. Now, if you wanted to draw a picture clue for yourself, that would be great. Now remember, Missy Evaldi, she's not an artist, but I'm going to try my best, and I want you to try your best too. So I'm going to kind of draw Ozzy Octopus's head, and he's got eyes, and I think Ozzy Octopus smiles. And an octopus has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs. Ozzy Octopus. Okay, now I'm going to try to think of another word that begins with O. I'm going to take some think time, and it's okay if you take think time too. I know a good one. Olive. I had some olives in my salad for lunch today. I'm going to write olive. Okay, I'm going to think about what I hear at the beginning. Olive. A. L. I. V. Olive. I'm going to underline that O because that is our letter sound this week. And I'm going to draw an olive. There's where the pit is. Now, my friends, I'd like you to pause the video right now, and I want you to come up with this many words that you sound out. Now, they should all begin with Ozzy Octopus O. When you've written 5 words that begin with Ozzy Octopus O, you can start the video back up. All right, I hope you did a great job writing those 5 words. And my friends, later you could write more. This is a great thing to practice, getting Ozzy Octopus into your brains. Now, I am going to show you some sentences that have Ozzy Octopus O in them. So, we are going to start with this sentence here. I'm going to read it to you, and then I want you to read it with me. Here we go. O is for off. Read it with me. O is for off. The next one is O is for office. Read it with me. O is for office. My friends, the next one says O is for ox. Read it with me. O is for ox. The next one says O is for octagon. Read it with me. O is for octagon. And our last sentence is O is for octopus. Read it with me. O is for octopus. Kindergartners, these are some sentences that have our letter O at the beginning of lots of the words. Now, I would like you to get Ozzy Octopus into your brain this week. This letter sound is so important because it makes 2 sounds. Ah, ah, ah. Say it. And O, O, O. Say it. You can visit this video as many times as you'd like this week. Have a great day.